Good afternoon, all my dear students. I am Sonal Agrawal, Associate Professor at IMT University, School of Hotel Management and Kitchen Technology. Today, we are going to discuss our topic, Organization of Food and Beverage Services. Okay, what is organization? My first question. Organization is an establishment, a group of people who are working together for achieving a particular goal. If I'm talking about the organization, I am working organization like IMT University. Here we are to teach students. So same if we are talking about the organizational structure of hotel. So we are having different departments, and different departments are having a different objectives to fulfill the or requirement of the guest. So now if we talk about food and beverage service, as we all know, food and beverage service department responsible for serving food and drinks to the guests as per their requirement and as per their wish in the restaurant or in the room dining. So we are having a proper organizational structure. We are having a proper hierarchy for this department. If I am talking about head of the department, front F&B manager, food and beverage manager is the head of the department. He is responsible for the entire operation. If anything occurs, he is answerable to the general manager. So he is having a very important role for the smooth operation in the hotel. Next, below to the F&B manager, we are having the assistant F&B manager. Assistant manager work as the F&B manager if he is absent, and basically assistant manager always help to the F&B manager for fulfillment of the objectives of the department. Below, between this, we are having the secretary. Basically, secretary is working as per the work which is delegated by the F&B manager. So she is doing all the paperwork on behalf of the F&B manager as per the instruction of the F&B manager. Next is we are having the outlet manager. Outlet, as we already discussed in my previous lecture, outlet are the different places, different areas for the F&B service. Like we are having the restaurant, we are having the coffee shop, we are having barbecue. So there are a lot of eating zones in the hotel. So every eating zone, every eating outlet is having the head of this department, head of this operation, or you can say head of this restaurant. So he will come below to the assistant manager. Like we have already mentioned, banquet, room service, bar, restaurant, coffee shop and nightclub. These are the different departments which is in the hotel, and they are all having the head which is reporting to the assistant F&B manager or F&B manager. Below this again we are having some receptionist, head waiter. Reception head waiter having a different job profile which we are discussing in the next slides. Below this we are having the head waiter, then we are having the station head waiter, we are having the station waiter, junior station waiter, the assistant station waiter. So we have seen there are a lot of station. So what is the meaning of station? So you already have seen, you all must be फेमिलियर विद द रेस्टोरेंट. आप लोग जाते होंगे रेस्टोरेंट में तो आप देखते होंगे देयर इज सम साइड बोर्ड, एक बोर्ड होती है, एक टेबल होती है जो कि हमेशा साइड में वी कीपिंग द वेटर कीपिंग अ बिग टेबल इन द साइड जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू द वॉल जहाँ पे कि दे आर कीपिंग ऑल दी स्टफ लाइक ग्लासेस, सूप बॉल, कटलरी, क्रॉकरी, दे आर कीपिंग इन दिस. So we are talking about this table as a side station, or these are the side board or demi waiter. So basically this table, this side station help for the smooth operation, help for serving the food to the guest. We requiring the lot of cutlery, crockery for the guest as well as for the serving the food to the guest. So all these items we are keeping in the side station. So every side station is having a head. One side station serves around 20 packs, or you can say 4 to 5 tables. So every table requiring different cutlery, different crockery, and we need only one space. So if the person is a head who is looking after the station, and as you're saying, head waiter, station head waiter is responsible for the one station, and then under his head waiter, we are having the station waiter, we are having the junior station waiter who are working under the guidance of the station head waiter. He will tell the sub junior waiter on which table you are going to serve, you are looking for which table, what food will go on which table. He will instruct to the junior one. And then we are having the apprentice. Apprentice are apprentice are the people who want to learn about the particular department, right? So there are many hotels who are offering the apprenticeship. So basically this time is around 1 year to 1.5 year. 1 से 1.5 साल का duration होता है. In that you are getting the stipend around, as well as you are getting the certificate. So this is the authentication, this is the proof that you have done your apprenticeship in this particular hotel, and that will be help you for your further growth. आप आगे कहीं पे जाके दिखाएंगे इस सर्टिफिकेट को, you will get job because that is the proof that आपको इस स्टेशन पे इस सेक्शन का इतना काम करना आता है. So as we all know, we are having the 4 major department in the hotel, and all major departments are keeping the apprentice with them, and the HR department is showing the certificates after the assessment. Every 6 months they are having the assessment, what they are learning on their apprenticeship, and then they will get the certification as per the curriculum of the hotel. So as I discussed, every hotel is having a different subsections, different restaurant, coffee shop. So every coffee shop is also having a different outlet, different organizational chart. So restaurant manager is the head of the restaurant. He will manage the entire work which is happening in the restaurant. So under this we are having the hostess or receptionist or reception. The lady, the hostess, his work is arranging all the tables, arranging the sitting arrangement, making layout of this. So their jobs is different, which we are discussing later on. And this restaurant manager is having a different people who are reporting to the restaurant manager, like sommelier. Sommelier is a person who is dealing with the liquor or wine. Then we are having the tranver, the carver, who is responsible for the carving the vegetables. So you have seen, आपने देखा होगा कि तरबूज पे कुछ pictures बनी हुई होती हैं. That is the carving. So that is the job of the carving chef who is working with the guard manager. So he is also reporting to the restaurant manager. Then we are having the maitre d' hotel. Then we are having the supervisor and senior captain. So they all are reporting to the restaurant manager. So there are some positions. If we are talking about the hotel, yes, hotel is a European concept. We are making F&B service runs. There are a lot of dishes in the F&B service which names are based on the French cuisine. So basically we are having the French hierarchy also, which is as follows. We are having the French, American and British. So we are having the 3 different cuisines, 3 different areas, and 3 different areas having a different name. The waiter and the people which we have seen in the organization chart, they are having different name in different cuisines. Like if we are talking about the French, so you can see the various position in the restaurant bridge are referred to the different in the French, American and English hotel industry. The list below given the different version. So in French, if we are talking about the maitre d' hotel reception, so the same thing in America we are saying is a senior captain reception, and in British we are saying head waiter reception. So there are 3 names, but the position is same. Next is maitre d' hotel, senior captain or head waiter. Then we are having the maitre d' hotel, the carry captain and station head waiter. Then we are having the chef de range, senior steward or station waiter. Demi chef de range, steward or junior station waiter. And then commis de range is assistant steward or assistant station. So every position, every job is having a different profile. We can say, suppose every person is having a different role for getting the objectives of the hotel. So we are having different positions, so every position having a different responsibility, and which are as follows. The staff arrangement in the restaurant and their number depend upon the type of standard of the establishment. In every restaurant, whether belonging to a hotel, non-residential establishment, or in the form of canteen, these must be one person charge, under whom there will be principal assistants in change of selection of the room, and under each of them there will be general assistants. So what do you mean, what do you understand by this non-residential establishment? Yes, as we know, residential, hotel or residential, we are getting the accommodation, the guest is getting the accommodation there, guest को room मिलता है, वो room में रह सकता है वहाँ पे, so that is a residential accommodation. If we are talking about non-residential operation, that means the restaurant or that outlet is not having the facility for the guest stay, they are having only फूड आउटलेट वेयर यू कैन हैव ओनली फूड. सो अगर आपका चाहे वो एक आउटलेट है या आपके होटल में रेजिडेंशियल आउटलेट है, बट हर आउटलेट को कोई ऐसा एक जिम्मेदार व्यक्ति चाहिए जो कि पूरे ऑपरेशंस को मैनेज कर सके. सो दैट्स नीड वी नीड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर कि कौन हेड है, कौन उसके नीचे, जिससे कि जितना भी सारा काम है वो आराम से अरेंज हो सकता हो और आराम से उसको डेलीगेट करके बिना ही किसी प्रॉब्लम की या बिना ही किसी डिफिकल्ट गेस्ट हैप्पीली वहाँ पे अपना फूड कंज्यूम करके जा सके. बिकॉज इफ यू आर सेंडिंग वन सेटिस्फाइड गेस्ट, यू विल गेट 3 न्यू गेस्ट, इजंट इट? आप एक गेस्ट खुश जाएगा आपसे तो वो आपकी तारीफ करेगा, यू विल गेट 3 न्यू गेस्ट. और इफ यू आर सेंडिंग अ गेस्ट विद एंगर, सो वो 10 गेस्ट की बुराई करेगा आपसे, एंड यू विल लॉस योर 10 गेस्ट. आपके पास 10 लोग नहीं आएंगे जो आना चाहते भी होंगे. तो हमेशा ट्राई टू satisfied the guest before he is leaving to the restaurant. ये आपकी ड्यूटी है, F&B सर्विस की ड्यूटी है ये. For this we are having different position. We are having the F&B manager whose work is very difficult, very very important, because he is the person who is the showman of the F&B department. So what he does, उसका क्या काम है, F&B manager क्या क्या काम करता है? So the first main duty is ensuring that the required profit margin are achieved for each F&B service area in a specified financial period. Okay, as you all know, when hotel is investing money for any venture, so they need profit. सबको profit के लिए business हो रहा है. Hotel is a commercially आउटलेट, होटल इज कमर्शियली बिजनेस. तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा, जो भी होटल के ऑब्जेक्टिव हैं, जो भी होटल के प्रॉफिट मार्जिन है, उनको अचीव करने के लिए ही विल इंश्योर कि वो जो भी आपको आपके मार्जिन आपको रखने हैं, जो भी अचीव करने हैं, वो इंश्योर करेगा कि फाइनेंशियल पीरियड पे वो सब अचीव हो जाए. जो भी उसको टारगेट दिया गया है सेल के लिए, वो सब अचीव हो जाए. नेक्स्ट इज अपडेटिंग एंड कंपाइलिंग न्यू वाइन लिस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ स्टॉक, करंट ट्रेंड्स एंड कस्टमर नीड्स. ही विल ऑल्सो इंश्योर कि जो भी आपके पास वाइन लिस्ट है, वाइन लिस्ट मीन्स जो भी आपका बार मेन्यू है, तो वो गेस्ट के लिए अकॉर्डिंगली हो. गेस्ट की कौन सी डिमांड है, माइट बी यू आर हैविंग अ 10 लिकर, यू आर हैविंग अ 10 वाइन विद यू, माइट बी उसमें से 2 ही बहुत सेल हो रही है, 8 सेल नहीं हो रही. और हो सकता है ऐसा कि गेस्ट कुछ ऐसे ड्रिंक मांगता हो जो कि आपके मेन्यू में ही नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज द यूज टू कीपिंग 8 ड्रिंक्स विच इज नॉट डिमांडिंग इन द मार्केट, एंड why not be changing these 8 wine with the demanding wine. So आपको चेक करना है. he will ensure कि जो भी चीजें उसको कंपाइल करे लिस्ट को अकॉर्डिंग टू द अवेलेबिलिटी इन दी मार्केट, की आपके पास जो स्टॉक है वो अवेलेबल है, जो भी आप ड्रिंक मैनेज या जो भी आप मेंशन कर रहे हो मेन्यू के अंदर, वो मार्केट में अवेलेबल होना चाहिए. प्लस उसका करंट ट्रेंड में हो, मतलब लोग उसकी डिमांड कर रहे हैं और कस्टमर की नीड सेटिस्फाइड हो रही हो, जो कस्टमर चाहता है वो उसको सेटिस्फाइड हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गेस्ट आस्किंग फॉर द रेड वाइन इंस्टेड ऑफ वाइट वाइन. वी आर हैविंग we have seen the guest feedback form, and we have seen many of the guests have written, 80% guests have written the red wine, and 20% guests only wishes the white wine. So what will you do? You will keeping a more storage, more stock of the red wine instead of white wine. Might be you can keep the store, you can keep some bottles of white wine also as per your as per your store capacity, but you will keep more red wine. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्रांड हैं जो कि गेस्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. कोई नया ट्रेंड आया, फॉर एग्जांपल बकार्डी ब्रीजर, राइट? girls are like to take the breezer. So which flavor they are liking, which flavor is more in demand, like orange flavor, Cadbury flavor, pineapple flavor. So according to the demand, you can keep the flavor in your stock, so that whenever guest asks for, you able to serve that flavor to the guest. Then for compiling in liaising with kitchen, menu for various food service area and for special occasion. So he will also ensure, he will always liaison with the kitchen department, with the chef, because if we are serving same food every year, there is no change. So what happens? Guest will, one day the guest will so bored, है ना? He will not like to come again and again for your hotel. So what he will do? That he will sit with the chef and he will make a new menu. He will see what are the running items which are very popular. He will keep these items in the menu, and the items which are not popular, which are not in sale, he will replace these items with the new items, so that we can have a more option for the guests. They will choose new dishes for the experience. Next is the purchase of the all material required in the department. Yes, every department, like he is having a many, eating outlets. So every outlet is having a different requirement. So he will purchase all the items as per the requirement of the outlet. So every department will make a requisition sheet, right? Requisition why they are requiring this item. Might be, for example, we can see dispense bar. Okay, so we need a new dispense bar with the 8 drinks. So the restaurant will mention we need a dispense bar, a new dispense bar. So that list will be goes to the F&B manager. If he feels yes, it is a requirement of the department for the smooth operation. Yes, we need the 8 flavor for the banqueting and all. So he will purchase that machine. He will check with the check with the market availability, and he will purchase that machine for the hotel staff. Ensuring the quality in relation to the price paid of maintain. Ensure the quality in relation to price, means he will also ensure that everything should be maintained well. He will also see if anything required. Suppose if there is a machine which can need the maintenance, so he will also ensure कि अगर सही हो सकती है कोई चीज अगर आपके पास है, he will ensure कि उसको correct करा दे, सही करा दे. Determining portion size in relation with selling price in concentration with the executive chef. So portion size, what do you mean by portion size? Portion size, okay. सबने you all have eaten the paneer tikka. How many pieces you will get? 8 pieces, correct. So 8 pieces में कितना बड़ा होता है? इतना बड़ा होता है, इतना बड़ा होता है. That is called portion. कि every paneer tikka will get 8 portion of paneer, and each piece will have a 20 grams. So this is the portion size for paneer tikka. If you order for malai kofta, so how many kofta will you get? 2, 4. So in 2 full plate we'll getting the 4 malai kofta. So that is called portion size. कि अब हम decide करेंगे कि अगर हमने price किसी चीज का कुछ रखा है, for example we are keeping the price 400 rupees for malai kofta. So how many koftas we are giving and what is the weightage of the kofta? कितने ग्राम का कोफ्ता होगा, है ना? तो उतना ही रख के हम गेस्ट को सर्व करेंगे. So that is done with the help of the executive chef. They will calculate the costing of the product and they will add the margin, and then they will decide किसका कितना portion size होगा. So that is the also work of the F&B service manager. Then next is he will also ensure that departmental training and promotions and maintaining high professional standards. If he feels कोई नई चीज आ रही है, if he feels कि नहीं मुझे staff को we need more they need more training, they need more skills. Might be we are introducing new mocktail and cocktail. So our staff is not good. They are not able to do juggling and all. So what they will do? He will speak to the concerned person who can come to the hotel, give training, or he will arrange training for the special. Like there are many waiters who supposed to be get promotion, but because of their some skills lacking, they are not getting the promotion. So he will ensure that every staff will get the every 6 months staff is getting the basic training for servicing and all, so that we can update the standards, and the people who are lacking with some skills, they will educate, and he will also got promotion. He will get promotion and he will get a good opportunities in hotel itself. So that is also done by the F&B manager. Employing aid and employing and dismissing staff. Yes, if he will feel that there is some staff who is not obeying, he is not, following all the rules and regulations of the hotel, so he is having the power to dismissing or to terminate him or her for the job, or he will also ensure to the employed. He will take the interviews of the concerned people as per the requirement of the department, and he will also give the job to the people. Holding regular meeting with the section head or the ensuring of all areas are working efficiently in a well coordinating manner. Time to time, every alternative day, he will take the meetings with the station head. Station head से meeting करेंगे. If he feels कि कुछ कहीं problem है, so he will try to sort it out this problem, right? Ensure करेंगे कि कोई भी स्मूथ ऑपरेशंस हो, कहीं भी कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, विद द गुड कोऑर्डिनेशन. एवरीबडी इज हैविंग द गुड कोऑर्डिनेशन, चाहे वो इंटरनल कोऑर्डिनेशन हो चाहे वो एक्सटर्नल कोऑर्डिनेशन हो. इंटरनल कोऑर्डिनेशन मीन्स अपने ही डिपार्टमेंट में जो लोग सारे काम कर रहे हैं उनका सारे में अच्छे से अच्छे से उनका कोऑर्डिनेशन हो, आपस में मिसकम्युनिकेशन ना हो, अच्छे से बात कर रहे हो, कोई भी चीज सफर ना कर रही हो, मतलब कहीं भी कोई लैक ना हो रही हो, कोई गेस्ट कंप्लेन ना आ रही हो. और आउटसाइड द डिपार्टमेंट मीन्स वी आर हैविंग डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट लाइक coordinating with the kitchen, coordinating with the housekeeping, so it is also with the good manner. वहाँ पे भी कोई problem नहीं आनी चाहिए. Because of this, he will taking the meetings. Now the assistant manager, I mentioned you that in the absence of the FM manager, the assistant manager act as the departmental head. In journal, he helps the FM manager in running the department smoothly and act as his deputy. Now the next position is the restaurant manager. Head of a particular restaurant. He has overall responsible for the organization and administration of the food and beverage service area. Only a particular area जिसके लिए वो जिम्मेदार है, सिर्फ उसी के लिए ही वो answerable है. Including lounges, floor grill, room service, restaurant, possible some of the banqueting suites. The restaurant manager sets standard for the service and he is responsible for staff training, whether on off the job. He will also ensure कि जहाँ पे उसका डिपार्टमेंट जो भी उसका सेक्शन है वहाँ पे स्टाफ प्रॉपर इंश्योर करेगा कि वहाँ पे प्रॉपर स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन हो, स्टाफ की प्रॉपर ग्रूमिंग हो, टाइम पर आ रहे हो, प्रोसीजर को फॉलो किया जा रहा हो. ही विल इंश्योर ऑल दिस. With the assistance of the receptionist, head waiter, he may create duty roster, holiday list and hours of duty to ensure the efficient and smooth operation of the service area. So he will also make the duty roster, who will take the off on which date, and he will also fix the list कि एज पर दी होटल कौन कौन सी लिस्ट है जो छुट्टियां लेनी है, अकॉर्डिंग टू उसको अरेंज करेंगे. ऑल द स्टाफ मेंबर्स आर हायर्ड आफ्टर इंटरव्यू विद द पर्सन मैनेजर एंड रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजर. जितनी भी अपॉइंटमेंट होंगे होटल में, जितनी भी अपॉइंटमेंट होंगे रेस्टोरेंट में, सो वंस द एचआर विल सेटिस्फाइड दैट यस ही इज द कैपेबल पर्सन हु कैन work with the department, then he will take the interview of the person. The restaurant manager oversees the restaurant service, fixing menu price, planning the menu, consulting with the executive chef, food and beverage controller. Correct. He will also help the F&B manager for this, for menu fixing. कि menu में क्या changes करना है, क्यों? क्योंकि he is the head of the department. Correct. So he also having the touch with the guest. He will also having the experience कि क्या चीजें हो रही है रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर. So exactly क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए. He will help it out for the chef कि क्या हम better कर सकते हैं for the guest satisfaction. So now reception head waiter, मैथे दी होटल दी reception, what he does, ये क्या काम करता है. As reception से समझ में आ रहा है, reception the person who is responsible for arrangement of the particular area. He is responsible for the accepting any booking and maintaining the booking diary up to date. ठीक है, आप बुकिंग इंश्योर करेंगे, he will make a diary. और she also, एक लड़की भी काम कर सकती है इस पोजीशन पे, राइट, एक बॉय भी काम कर सकता है. तो होटल में रिजर्वेशन भरेंगे, वी आर हैविंग अ डायरी, रिजर्वेशन डायरी. इफ द पीपल बुक देयर बुकिंग इन द रेस्टोरेंट, ही विल फिल और शी विल फिल द बुकिंग डायरी कि किस टाइम पे किसके नाम से कितने पैक्स की बुकिंग है. ही विल नोट इट डाउन इन द डायरी he will reserve the table and allot their reservation to the particular station. Again, जिस भी टेबल पे आपने देखा भी होगा, आप कभी कहीं जाते हैं तो रिजर्व का एक टैग लगा होता है टेबल पे, और उसके पास में ही एक स्टेशन होता है, तो पता होता है कि ये वाला जो स्टेशन है ये सर्व करेगा इन वाले गेस्ट को जहाँ पे की रिजर्वेशन की या जिनकी रिजर्व टेबल पे टैगिंग लगी हुई है. सो दैट इज द जॉब ऑफ रिसेप्शन वेटर का जॉब होता है ये भी. ही ग्रीट्स द गेस्ट up to arrival and takes them to the table and seat them. Whenever guest arrives in the restaurant, he or she always smile and greet them. Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. Good evening, sir. Mr. Sharma, how are you? Yes, sir. We're having a reservation. Sir, please may I help you and escort them till the table so that guests feel comfortable and he feel once you are greeting the guest with his name, so he will always feel important, right? So, Mr. try to use the guest last name or the first name. Yes, Mr. Gupta. Yes, Mr. Sharma. Welcome to the hotel, sir. Yes, we are having a reservation, sir. We booked a very good table for you. You can see the view of the valley, or you can see the swimming pool from the window. So from that thing, the guest feel good क्योंकि आपने बिना कहीं guest को एक अच्छा space दिया restaurant में, where he can have a good view and he can enjoy his food. The reception head waiter should have a good knowledge of food and beverage and be able to instruct the trainee where necessarily he would. So he should be good because he booked the table. So she should have a good knowledge about the food, so that if the guest asks anything about the food, he can able to explain it to the guest. Next, we are having the head waiter or senior captain. He is also responsible for the teamwork. He has overall in charge of the staff team. He is head of the staff team. जितने भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनका head होगा आपका head waiter in the dining room, and is responsible for seeing that all the duties necessarily for the preparation of service are well and effectively carried out and nothing forgotten. जो भी जिसकी ड्यूटी है वो प्रॉपरली चीजें अरेंज करी गई है, कुछ भूला ना गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, before opening of the restaurant, all tables should be aligned properly. All tables should have a basic setup. All tables should have a basic cover, right? All tables should have a clean, they are proper aligned. He will ensure that all the station should be kept properly. It should be dust free. All the area should be dust free. Before the opening of the restaurant, the AC air condition should be on, temperature should be maintained. So these things he will ensure before opening the restaurant, right? He helps the restaurant manager or the reception head waiter on their day off. If the station head waiter or reception head waiter is on off, so he will work, he will also do their work. He provides services, direct, receive the guest, or through the restaurant manager in case of the certain VIP seats them. He should be good organizer and diplomat. He must look after all the complaints and put things rightly. But he must not upset the smooth flow of the kitchen, disturb harmony of the pantry. He is responsible for mise en place. Mise en place in French we are saying. In large hotel, in restaurant, there may be more than one second head waiter or third head waiter, right? So he supervised all the thing. Mise en place, it's a French terminology. This means make the place ready for work. So he will ensure that before opening of the restaurant, all the work should be done. He will also coordinate with the kitchen. He should not upset if there is any problem with the kitchen, and he should always focus the food should be served on time at particular table. It is his job, right? And he will ensure that all the dishes are serving with proper accompaniment. जिसका जो accompaniment है वो उसी के संग चीज जाए with the proper condiment. So the next question is, what is accompaniment and what is a condiment, right? Accompaniment are the thing which is complete a dish, right? For example, tomato soup, correct? So tomato soup, we are serving the croutons or we are serving the soup sticks, right? So soup stick croutons are the accompaniment and soup is the main dish, right? Condiments are the salt and pepper which enhance the flavor of a dish, is called the condiments. So generally we have seen we are keeping all salt and pepper cubes set at the table, and if we are serving Chinese, so we are always serving the soya sauce, vinegar, chili sauce. So that is all the condiment which goes along with the Chinese food, so that if the guests feel to enhance their flavor, to change the flavor of any Chinese item, they can add the soya sauce, vinegar and all. Clear? Next slide. Now next is station head waiter, captain. Maitre the hotel, the curry. He is overall responsible for team staff working under him and serve a set number of table, could be anything from 4 to 8 in number, right? Now station as mentioned, station साइड आ गया, साइड स्टेशन आ गया, डेमी वेटर आ गया. तो उस जो टेबल है, जो स्टेशन है, वहां से आप कितनी टेबल को अरेंज कर सकते हो? 5 to, इज ऑलरेडी मेंशन हियर, 4 to 8 नंबर्स, कि दो टेबल या 2 से 3 टेबल, मतलब आप 8 से 10 लोगों को ही मैनेज कर सकता है वो एक स्टेशन से. सो आई विल इंश्योर कि इतने ही जो भी उसके टीम के लोग हैं, ही विल सुपरवाइज those people. The set of the table under the station head waiter control is called a station. He must have a very good knowledge about food and wine and its correct service and be able to instruct these under him. So he should have a knowledge of wine. Why so? Because he's a station head waiter. He should know what if the guest asking. Suppose if the guest is asking, you can suppose guest is asking for whiskey, right? Guest said, I need whiskey on the rock. So he should ensure that how to serve whiskey on the rock, right? So he should have a proper knowledge how to open the bottle and how. First we'll put the ice and then we'll put the whiskey. So he should have a proper knowledge. If the guest asks anything in the wine or food, he will able to explain it to the guest. He would take the order usually from the host and carry out other services at the table with the help of these assistants. So he will ensure whenever he will take the order, he will take the order from the host. Host is the person who is the head of the table, means जितने भी गेस्ट आ रहे हैं उनमें से कोई एक ऐसा दिखता होगा जो भी गेस्ट ऑर्डर करेगा, सभी ऑर्डर करेंगे, ठीक है, एक को बता देंगे. जैसे जर्नली होता है, हम भी लोग जाते हैं तो क्या होता है, हम बोलते हैं हाँ मुझे खाना है, मुझे खाना है, मुझे खाना है. तो कोई एक जना, आपके कोई पूरी टेबल में से कोई एक जना, योर ब्रदर, योर फादर, योर मदर, एनीवन can give order to the captain कि please we need this item. So the captain always repeat the items. Might be there is a confusion. ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो चीज 2 से ज्यादा लिखी गई हो, 2 बार उसने कोई चीज लिख ली. He will always repeat the order and once you will say yes it is okay. So the person who is giving the order to the captain is called the host. ठीक है, कोई बात होती है host से ही captain बात करेगा, और होस्ट की ही कोई अगर खाने में कंप्लेन आती है तो होस्ट ऑलवेज टेल टू द कैप्टन कि दिस डिश इज नॉट अप टू द मार्क, I need this, so he will communicate with the host, right? And he will try to serve all the food which is asked by the guests at the table with the assistance of the assistant waiters. So now station waiter, senior steward, station waiter के संग में क्या था? We are having a senior steward who will help to the station captain. He must be able to carry out the same as the station head waiter and relieve him on his duty. अगर वो छुट्टी पर है तो he will act as a reception waiter, sorry station waiter की तरह ये काम करेंगे. अब both are the station head waiter work together as a team to provide efficient and speedy service. Speedy service means quickly. अगर आपने गेस्ट से बोला है कि yes sir within 20 minutes you will get your food, so it should be 20. It can be 18 minutes but it could not be 22 or 25 minutes. Clear? जितना आपने टाइम गेस्ट को दिया है कोशिश करो कि उसी टाइम में खाना सर्व हो जाए. फूड शुड बी सर्व हॉट और एज पर द प्रॉपर सर्विंग स्टैंडर्ड विद अकम्पनीमेंट्स एंड प्रॉपर गार्निश. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग जूनियर स्टेशन वेटर. जूनियर मीन्स द जूनियर वेटर सीनियर वेटर के नीचे जो काम करेगा, एंड दिस इज पोस्ट विच इज यूजुअली फाउंड इन यूरोप एंड इन द अमेरिकन होटल्स. एज द टीम implies he is next to the seniority of the chef the range and aid him to his work. So ये काम करते हैं वेटर के, सीनियर वेटर के अंडर में. Then we are having assistant station waiter, assistant steward. He acts as an instruction of the, he acts by instruction from the chef the range. He is responsible for giving the KOT. KOT means kitchen order ticket. It is a booklet. It's a KOT. It's a booklet where the waiter noted down guest order, right? This KOT having the hotel name, he mentioning the mentioning the table number, who is taking the order, the waiter number or the captain number, and he's also mentioning which item guest asked and the quantity of the item. Like suppose the guest asked 2 tandoori naan, So he will mention 2 tandoori, aage 2 naan, right? And if give any remark, for example, I want chili paneer, I want malai kofta without onion and garlic. So in the remark he will mention without onion and garlic, so that once he will place the order in the kitchen people make sure that the food will cook without onion and garlic. So he will take the order. Again, responsible for giving the KOT to the kitchen. Bring dishes to this sideboard. Sideboard is station. Sideboard. Removing plate from the guest table and returning used plate to the washing up area. During the mise à plat, he would carry out some clearing and preparatory priority task. So he will ensure कि खाना पिकअप करना है किचन से, गेस्ट को सर्व करना है, देन क्लियरेंस करनी है. He will do all this work. Who? Assistant station waiter. So now we are having the carver. Carver responsible for carving trolley and the carving to joints at the table as required. He will plate up each portion with the appropriate accompaniment. He has to be very skilled to get maximum number of the portion from each joints with as little waste as possible. Means there are some dishes which are served whole, right? We are पूरी की पूरी हम serve करते हैं. Then he is responsible for portioning it. Post turkey we are serving. So turkey पूरा आपको serve हो जाएगी टेबल पे. So he will give the pieces and then he will give it to the concerned people जिसको वो खाने के लिए चाहिए. So this is the job of carrier. Next is floor waiter. Floor waiter is basically from the room service who ensure that food will serve in the guest room on time with the appropriate temperature. He is responsible for the service of meal in the apartment. When working on this position, the waiter has to serve both food and drink and therefore have a thorough knowledge of each so that their correct service should be done in the guest room. Apartment में proper service timely guest की food की हो जाए. So he is responsible for the room service part. Now we are having the trolley assistant waiter. Basically his or her work is to hold the trolley for the guest service, garridon service we can say. He is a junior assistant assigned to trolley, usually of adobs, pastries, associated cheese and salad. So she will hold the trolley and he or she will serve to the guest. Next is wine waiter or wine. As the mentioned wine, wine is liquor, right? So he person is skilled for serving the wine at the right glass on the right temperature. So he is a skilled person, as is mentioned that he is responsible for the servicing for all the alcoholic drink during the service of meal. So whenever guest asks for any drink, he will ensure that the drink will be served on the appropriate temperature with the correct glass. He must have a thorough knowledge about the wines, go with the certain food and the licensing, law of respect of his particular. The last not least is the cashier. आप खाना खाने जाओगे तो पे तो करोगे ना, then who will prepare your bill? The cashier is there to prepare your bill. Restaurant cashier. Sometimes it is the responsible of the restaurant staff, that is the waiter, to make the bill in a small establishment, but in sophisticated restaurant the restaurant cashier does it. In any case, the waiter will present the bill to the guest. तो whatever bill he will prepare as per the KOT, तो वही जो bill है waiter इनसे लेगा cashier से and give it to the guest for the payment. So this is all for today. Students, I hope you understand the organizational structure, and if you go through again you can see the video, it will be more clear to you. Thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you.